rental market here in Wright City is really picked up with all the local development. On this development, we're building townhomes for rent. These are 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom units. We do have the dog park and walking trails and things like that, but what people are concerned with more than anything is the cost. We try to offer as many amenities as possible with keeping it right at that price point that people are looking for. We kind of looking at the competitors around us, they all have 8-foot ceilings, and then they also have soffits below that. To offer the 9-foot ceilings in the townhomes, one of our challenges was with the type of construction of these units, we were gonna have to add beams, we were gonna have to drop soffits around ductwork, MEPs, plumbing. We went to our designer and said, hey, how can we keep the 9-foot ceilings and avoid all these soffits and beams? And that's when we came to this truss system on allowing us to be able to span further distances with no beams, and also allowing all the plumbing trades, mechanical trades to run all their fixtures through the joist instead of having to go below. When you walk in the room, it just feels bigger. So to be able to offer a 9-foot ceiling and not have any soffits or beams blocking that, we thought was a great value add for this type of project. The name of the game out here is speed. So if we can make it easier and faster and get that value add at not a huge expense, then I think it's a win-win for us. Even on the framing side, when you're able to cut out the measuring and cutting of every joist that gets installed, you're saving time. So with these being already pre-measured and prefabricated and delivered on site, the second they're on site, they're ready to go up.
These are a lot nicer than typical floor joists. Normally we'd get 2x10s or 2x12s and they'd have a 1/2 inch or more crown from end to end, and these are all perfectly flat. These are much lighter than normal 2x12s. We gotta do 2x12 all around the exterior of the building. If I could do these instead of 2x12s, I'd much rather be doing these.
You're not drilling holes, you're not building soffits. All of our electrical, our plumbing, everything just runs through the joist system with the open webs.
So usually we work with 2x12s, 2x10s. We have to drill all the holes in those. They are a big pain in the butt. These, what you call Posi, are really efficient. We pull our wire in half the time. It's a really good product. When you get an apprentice in here, they don't even know how to work a battery drill. So once you get them in here, you can just run right through these trusses, just go from point A to point B, and you're done. I would say we'd probably save about 12 to 15 hours pulling wire on this project per building.
These guys not having to drill holes, not having to do special layouts to avoid joists, not having to come back in later and frame soffits after all the MEP trades. That's where I see a lot of time savings. I would use this system again. We actually have more townhomes that we have on another development that we plan on using the exact same system. I would definitely use them in the future.